Welcome to the Emerald Isle, a land of breathtaking landscapes, ancient ruins, and vibrant culture. Today we're going to venture beyond Ireland's famed attractions, beyond the bustling streets of Dublin, the towering cliffs of Moher, and the iconic Giant's Causeway. We're setting out on a journey to uncover the hidden gems that lie off the beaten path, places that offer a deeper connection to Ireland's rich culture, history, and natural beauty. We'll wander through the wild landscapes of Connemara, delve into the forgotten castles that dot the countryside, explore the geological wonders of the Copper Coast, and soak in the literary ambience of Dublin's historic pubs. Each of these places holds a unique story, a piece of the puzzle that makes up the enchanting tapestry of Ireland. Join us on this journey off the beaten path as we explore Ireland's lesser-known treasures. Our first stop takes us to the wild landscapes of Connemara, a place of untamed beauty and enchanting folklore. Nestled on the west coast of Ireland, Connemara is a dreamlike realm where the land and sea dance together under the watchful eyes of the 12 Bens mountain range. Its sweeping vistas of boglands punctuated by serene lakes inspire awe and wonder. At the heart of Connemara, the iconic Kylemore Abbey stands as a testament to the region's intriguing past. This neo-Gothic mansion, now a Benedictine monastery, was born out of love, lost in tragedy, and reborn in faith. The Victorian walled gardens, meticulously restored to their original splendor, are a vibrant oasis amidst the rugged landscape, brimming with blooms that paint the scenery with a rainbow of colors. But Connemara is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's a place where stories come alive, whispered by the wind and echoed in the rustling of the leaves. Tales of giants and fairies, of love and loss, of battles and bravery are woven into the fabric of this land, making the history of Connemara as captivating as its landscapes. Take, for instance, the legend of the lake monster Doparchu, said to inhabit the waters of Loch Mask. This half-dog, half-fish creature is a chilling reminder of the mysteries that lie beneath the surface of Connemara's tranquil lakes. Or consider the tale of Grania Mahaul, the pirate queen, who commanded her fleet from the shores of Connemara, defying conventions and striking fear into the hearts of her enemies. These stories, passed down from generation to generation, capture the mystical allure of Connemara, offering a taste of the region's rich cultural heritage. They serve as a bridge between the past and the present, transforming the physical landscape into a tapestry of myth and memory. With its timeless beauty and rich tapestry of folklore, Connemara is more than just a destination. It's a journey into the heart of Ireland's enchanting past. Surrounded by the raw grandeur of nature and steeped in centuries-old stories, you can't help but feel a deep connection to this magical place. With its mystical allure, Connemara truly captures the heart of Ireland's rich cultural heritage. We now journey into Ireland's past, exploring the forgotten castles that echo with history and legend. Our first stop is Leap Castle in County Offaly. While it might not be renowned like Blarney or Dublin Castle, Leap Castle has a reputation of its own. With origins stretching back to the 13th century, it's rumored to be Ireland's most haunted castle, sending shivers down the spines of those who dare to explore its shadowy corridors. Tales of ghostly encounters and eerie happenings abound here, with the infamous Bloody Chapel taking center stage in many of these chilling stories. Historians believe that the castle was a site of power and conflict, its blood-soaked past contributing to its haunted reputation. Moving north, we find the picturesque ruins of Dunluce Castle in Northern Ireland, perched precariously on a rugged cliff edge. Dunluce Castle, with its dramatic location and romantic silhouette, is straight out of a fairy tale, or perhaps a tragedy. Its history is steeped in battles and betrayals, love and loss. In the 16th century, it was the seat of the MacDonald clan, powerful chieftains who played a pivotal role in the tumultuous politics of the era. The castle's most heartbreaking tale tells of the night in 1639, when part of the castle, including the kitchen, plummeted into the sea, taking several lives with it. These castles, each with their unique stories and spectral legends, offer a fascinating peek into the turbulent history of the Emerald Isle. They stand as silent witnesses to the past, their stone walls containing centuries of secrets, their towers echoing with whispers of forgotten times. Visiting these castles is like stepping into a time capsule, where the boundary between the past and the present blurs, where every stone and every shadow has a story to tell. These are the places where history comes alive, where legends take on a life of their own, where the mysteries of the past still linger in the air. These castles, standing as silent witnesses to the past, offer a glimpse into the mystery and romance of Ireland's history. Now, we venture to the Copper Coast, a UNESCO heritage site where nature unveils a dramatic tale of time. Tucked away in County Waterford, the Copper Coast Geopark is a stunning spectacle of geology. Here, the cliffs themselves are storytellers, narrating a tale that spans over 460 million years. From the intricate patterns etched into the rock faces to the towering sea stacks that rise from the ocean, every formation narrates a chapter of the Earth's ancient history. But the Copper Coast isn't just a geological marvel, it's also a testament to the area's industrious past. The name Copper Coast harks back to the 19th century, a time when the region was a bustling hub of copper mining. Scattered throughout the landscape, you'll find remnants of this bygone era, from old mine shafts to the ruins of engine houses. These relics of the past serve as a stark contrast to the area's natural beauty, showcasing the enduring battle between man and nature. For those with a thirst for adventure, the Copper Coast offers a plethora of activities. Imagine sea kayaking around the towering sea stacks, where you can get up close and personal with the area's diverse marine life. Or, for the more daring, exploring the old mine tunnels offers a fascinating glimpse into the area's industrial heritage. But if a leisurely stroll is more your pace, the Copper Coast has miles of coastal paths, where you can soak in the breathtaking views of the rugged coastline and hidden coves. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or an intrepid explorer, the Copper Coast has something to offer everyone. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the natural world, delve into the region's rich history, and create unique memories that will last a lifetime. The Copper Coast, with its stunning landscapes and rich history, is a testament to Ireland's natural beauty. We now take a cultural detour to Dublin, where literature and pub culture intertwine in a unique Irish tradition. Stepping on the cobblestone streets of Dublin, you'll find history echoing in every corner. But there's a special place where the past comes alive with a pint and a page-turner, the literary pubs of Dublin. These are not only watering holes, but sanctuaries of creativity, where literary giants like James Joyce, Samuel Beckett, and W.B. Yeats once found inspiration. Take, for instance, the Palace Bar on Fleet Street. This Victorian-era pub has been serving patrons since 1843. Its vintage charm and warm mahogany interiors have witnessed the ebb and flow of Dublin's literary scene. Here, poet Patrick Kavanagh and journalist Flann O'Brien would often engage in spirited debates, their words now part of the pub's rich tapestry. Then there's Davy Burns, which James Joyce immortalized in his masterpiece, Ulysses. Joyce's protagonist, Leopold Bloom, orders a gorgonzola sandwich and a glass of Burgundy here. Today you can do the same, dining as Bloom did, in this historic locale. And who could forget the Brazen Head, Ireland's oldest pub, dating back to 1219. It's a place steeped in history, where Jonathan Swift, author of Gulliver's Travels, was a regular. Today, it remains a hub for storytelling, with live music and folklore evenings that keep the tradition alive. These pubs encapsulate more than just stories of literary legends. They represent a heritage where conversation flows as freely as the Guinness, where every corner hums with the echoes of poetic verses and novel ideas. Dublin's literary pubs continue to inspire, fostering a sense of community and creativity. They serve as living museums, reflecting the city's vibrant culture and its love for good company, good drink, and great literature. These literary pubs, pulsating with creativity, embody the vibrant spirit of Irish culture. Our journey through Ireland's hidden gems has taken us through breathtaking landscapes, historic ruins, and cultural treasures. We've roamed the wilds of Connemara, reveled in the mystique of forgotten castles, marveled at the geological wonders of the Copper Coast, and toasted in Dublin's literary pubs. Each of these places holds a piece of Ireland's captivating story, a blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that's as diverse as it is enchanting. From the rugged mountain ranges and serene lakes of Connemara to the haunting charm of Leap Castle, from the geological marvels of the Copper Coast to the vibrant local life in Dublin's historic pubs, the Emerald Isle has revealed itself in all its multifaceted glory. We hope this journey inspires you to explore Ireland's lesser-known corners and discover the magic that lies within. Don't forget to subscribe for more hidden gem explorations around the globe and share your own favorite undiscovered places.